What is going on, y'all? Robert Sykes.
Keto
Greg. We got a little challenge in the works for y'all. So it is summertime, it is hot, everybody's trying to get beach body ready, and you're probably getting inundated with all these like get shredded in 6-week challenge nonsense, 8-week cuts. I've always hated those because they're always promoting rapid fat loss, rapid weight loss, cutting calories drastically, screwing up your metabolic rate, decreasing all kinds of hormone function. They're just not good. You see it all the time as a coach, do you not?
Yeah.
It's like annoying.
Everywhere. Every single season. Every summer, it's the 4-week get shredded, it's the abs at the beach, it's the detoxes, cleanse, the craziness. The crash diets.
Yeah, the crash diets. We are very anti-crash diets, which is why our competition preps are 6 months long. It's why our reverse diets are 3 months long. It's why we're in a building phase for 2-3 years. We're playing the long game with things. I want to promote long-term sustainable health, which is why I figured we ought to do our own transformation challenge. But rather than a 6-week to shreds program, we're doing a 6-month transformation challenge. And with it being July 1st at the time of this recording, it made sense to have it go until the end of the year, December 31st, with the winner being drawn beginning of January. Everybody else is trying to wait for the new year to start bringing out the new year challenges, new year, new me. We're going to be going through the holidays, so if you want to really stick to it and adhere to it, you're going to be bringing your best package by the end of the year as opposed to just starting some miraculous thing at the beginning of the year. Make sense?
Makes sense.
Makes sense. All right, so this is the criteria. I'm giving away $10,000 in cash, $5,000 to a male winner, $5,000 to a female winner. We're giving away a bunch of free keto bricks. We're giving away free apparel. We're giving away all kinds of goodies, but $10,000 in cash. The drawing is going to be community-led. So we're going to have monthly check-ins, monthly progress pictures, all that good stuff so you know exactly what you're doing, how to promote, how to submit, how to do all that stuff. We're going to have a before and after taken in the beginning, before and after taken every single month, and then one at the very end that the community votes on to select the male and female winner. Does that make sense?
Makes sense.
The only criteria is that you got to be a part of the tribe community, our private tribe community, which you can do at ketobodybuilding.com. In that community, we host weekly live calls, which we can totally field any questions you may have as it pertains to how to manipulate your macros, how to get things dialed in for this challenge, or just health in general. So we're going to be right there with you every step of the way. You just got to be part of that tribe community and then apply or do that, and then you can become eligible and enroll in this challenge. All the criteria is. If you get the Savage system, you've automatically got lifetime access to the community and all future challenges, so that's going to be your best bet. But if you just want to do this, then just simply enroll in the challenge and the community itself as a standalone. Does that make sense?
Makes sense.
All right. So we're super excited about it. Greg and I are going to be doing, you want to talk a little bit about what we're doing?
Yeah.
See, we're not going to be competing in the challenge ourselves because that just wouldn't be fair.
Yeah.
But we're going to be doing our own kind of like, not recomp, not what would you call it? Like a reset.
I would say a metabolic reset. We're gonna manipulate our macros as if we were going to be going through a recomp or a contest prep, but we're not going to go through the full 7 stages. We're going to do stage 1 and 2.
Stage 1 and 2,
just
and
the onset.
Yeah, and basically add a higher, above maintenance intake because we're still in a building phase. So we're going to show you exactly how we go through phase 1 and 2 of the 7. So if you're wanting to, follow along, you've got us showing you exactly what we're doing, and you can just continue through the actual cut itself and become part of the challenge members. And again, we're all new at this community, everything, so it's a pretty small, tight-knit community. Everybody's super active. We're doing the weekly live calls. We're doing all this stuff. We're giving away this cash. We're incentivizing people to do these transformations in a healthy manner, which is what it's all about. So from July, you've got the whole month of July to enter and enroll. You've got the whole month of December to submit your final updates. The winner will be drawn January 1st. None of this 6-week nonsense. 6 months for the win. True change is going to be evident in 6 months in a healthy manner. Do you agree?
Yes. And one of my favorite parts is this challenge is going to run you right through the holiday season, where a lot of people fall off track, or they figure out a way to make sense to eat sweets, or they allow themselves some structural or some nutritional freedom.
Mm-hmm.
If you loosen up a little bit through the holidays, someone else might lap you. Someone else might take the
Yeah.
lead. So it's pretty awesome that this is going to go through the holidays versus starting after the holidays.
Yeah, we're super excited about it. We're going to be doing like 6-month incremental things for sure. Playing a long game with everything we do. So I'm excited about it. Greg's excited about it. We're going to be jumping into the community. We're going to be jumping into the live calls. We're going to be helping y'all every step of the way. So if you're interested, go to ketobodybuilding.com, sign up for the community, and then jump into the challenge there. It will get you fixed up. Till then, y'all, stay savage, stay shredded.
See you there.